Year 2009. The prediction we have already made before has been implemented. Gradually, we are stepping in the darkness of insecurity. Because of the minority of the world's population for whose deluxe life standards the developing countries like us are suffering. Now we do not need to read anymore about the probability of salt invasion in freshwater supply because we face it every single day. The increase of 0.6 degrees Celsius in the world's climate doesn't seem to us only 0.6 degree. We, our environment, are experiencing the great impact of this little change. High temperature has made our green trees lifeless and this Greenland just a piece of catastrophe. The sound of rain doesn't soothe our mind anymore. It makes us worried about another flood that may take away thousands of lives. A girl like me sitting in the developed part of the world might read this issue just as a luxury, while for me it's a question of survival. For her it may be a piece of fiction, however, for me it's the reality. Climate change affects me as every moment, and then I think of the quote, "We do not inherit the earth from our ancestors, we borrow it from our children." And then I think, what will we return them? The answer is nothing, only an earth with insecurity.